Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this series. Just yesterday, I made a video. I meant to make it earlier, but didn't ever get around to it. We're going to take out, the gentleman wants the body not to be in the text. I don't know about this part. You can't really do this part because of that. So on that one, you'd probably want to take and make the outline thicker for it to kind of show up. But what we're going to do, this is actually maybe even easier than the other way we did yesterday. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the run, I'm going to left click, right click. I'm going to go to object and convert it to a curve. We need to take away, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to move it a little bit. Yeah, that'll work. We need to take away this space. And the easiest way I know how to do it would be able to take a 2-point line and make sure you go from that node to that node. And then we'll actually go from that node to that node. And then over here, I should have picked maybe a different reference. So I'm just going to take away those two pieces of body. So what I'm going to do now is my nudge factor is still set on 10. I'm going to move him out of the way. And I'm going to take that item. You know what? I'm going to make it, let's make it a blue. So you can kind of see it in that item. Now I'm going to nudge it over. And I'm going to see if this is going to work. Select both items and trim it. See, it took away that body part. I'm nudging, I'm not moving. Select both of them and go trim. I don't use trim very much, but it evidently worked pretty good. So there you have it. Now I need to take away, you know what, before I put the man back, I'm going to get rid of my lines. So you can't really see what I did. And then you can do anything you want to with it. You know, you know what, I've got color. I don't know if this is going to work. I don't know if it'll fill in. We might have to do what we did yesterday. Nope, it'll work. So you know what, I don't want that blue. Let's make it, I don't want black because of his shorts. Let's use this burnt orange. And then just fill in all the other parts of the word. Now, once again, you would probably want to take this and make the outline thicker. Well, you're only going to do that on that part. So what you can do, you don't really need an outline for those other parts. So I'm going to right click no outline. And I'm going to take this letter and nudge it over, this letter and nudge it over, and this letter and nudge it over. And I'm going to put an outline on it and then go to something thicker than, well, that's too thick. And then nudge them back. And it kind of defines the body parts. Yeah, I like it. Maybe it's a little bit too thick. But anyway, I'm hoping that's what he was asking. You know, now that I kind of look at it, I could have maybe, well, yeah, half one, or, you know, it's just all depends on how you want it to look. I really should have moved the text to a different spot because I don't like that, but I'm hoping that'll help the gentleman. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.